Alright, so I forgot my book inside the house. So I have 2 dogs. I have 1 piece of bacon. The question is, will the bacon be on the plate when I get back outside? Told him not to touch. The question is, are they going to touch it? It's not like they have a lot of time. I'm just going to go in and grab it and come back out, but still, you know, dogs can be sneaky. Good boy. And is the bacon still there? Yes, it is. Good boy, Klaus, come here. Pas touché. Are you gonna have that bacon? Did I tell you you could have the bacon? No. Are you gonna eat the bacon? It's right here. Are you gonna eat the bacon? Does he answer no? That's a good boy. Okay, go, allez. Go, allez, allez. Good boy. Pas touché. No. Okay, go. Go. Good boy.